Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I'm going to do a product review of All American Super Clean 2000. I apologize for my appearance. I've been under this car trying to get the transmission to shift normal, and I'm 90% there. I had to stop because it's can be very frustrating. So I got it to where it's I'm not having to manually shift it anymore, which is really good. So what I've done is I have mixed this 10 parts water to 1 part Super Clean 2000, and I did a couple test spots, and I want to bring you guys in here because this stuff works really good. Now this interior is super dirty. I want you to see. So we'll do the door pull right here, and I'm just gonna spray the Super Clean on there. And I've got my favorite little brush. I use this. This is a kind of a medium bristle. You can use it for tires. I like to use it on carpet. Then take a microfiber cloth and wipe it. Normally, for stuff like this, I use Simple Green mixed with water, but I gotta say, this is much better than Simple Green and doesn't leave that greasy residue. So let's try the door panel. So the top where I guess you would rest your arm, there's a wear space right there, so just disregard that. But I did a little test spot over here. So I'm going to do this for you right now. I use the same brush. I'll put a link in Amazon to this brush. I love this brush. And then just wipe it down with microfiber. Much better. This stuff is really good. Alright, let's try the bottom of the door panel. Okay. Same thing, just douse it with the Super Clean. I tested some of the seat. Very nice. The driver's seat is very dirty. So I did this little section here. Now watch this. Okay, I'm going to do this section here. Look at all that dirt that's lifting up. Now that did a good job. In fact, I'm just going to do the whole seat. Very nice. There are some wear spots in there. Obviously that's not going to take care of it, but yeah, it's nice and clean now. Very good. Alright, so what do I think of the performance of the Super Clean 2000? I think on the vinyl, the MB Text, the hard plastic, the plastic type trim pieces, I think it works very, very well. It did a pretty good job over here on this carpet, but again, this carpet really needs to be extracted. But it did a good job. Got the door panel clean. It pulled off all the oil and the dirt that was on there, and I think as a good APC interior cleaner, it really did a good job on the seats, and maybe not so great on the carpet, but you know, as far as pulling the junk off of here, did a very good job. So I'm going to put a link to that on Amazon where I got it, and if you guys would like to try it out, if you've got a really dirty interior, got a lot of door panel grunge, it will certainly pull it right off. So I will talk to you guys on the next video.